Imagine waking up every day with boundless energy and vitality, knowing that perfect health is yours. Today, we're going to embody this reality together. Are you ready to step into the healthiest version of yourself? Welcome to day one of our 7-day Law of Assumption meditation challenge. Today, we're going to focus on embodying the state of perfect health. The Law of Assumption teaches us that we become what we assume ourselves to be. And today, we will assume that our bodies are strong, vibrant, and full of life. Let's step into this reality together now. But first, hello, powerful manifestors. Welcome to my channel. I'm Victoria Gallagher, the Law of Attraction hypnotist and #1 best-selling author of Practical Law of Attraction and the creator of the Believe Hypnosis app, which is designed to empower your manifestation journey using hypnotic techniques and guided meditations. And I'm here to help you tap into the power of your mind, align yourself with the manifesting conditions, and successfully attract your dreams, goals, and a life you love. Before we begin, I'd love to know, what does perfect health look like to you? Please share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's inspire each other on this journey. Okay, let's go ahead and get ourselves ready for this meditation. It's called Meditation for Assumption of Health. And we're going to take about 10 minutes. So go ahead and close your eyes and allow yourself to relax completely. Settle into a comfortable position. Take a deep, deliberate breath in. Feel the air fill your lungs. And as you exhale, release all tension from your body. Breathe naturally now, allowing the rhythm of your breath to guide you into a state of calm. You are what you assume yourself to be. Your reality is shaped by the state of consciousness you dwell in. Right now, you are in a state of perfect health. Bring your attention to your body. Feel the vitality that flows through you. This vitality is a part of you. You are health. You embody perfect health at this very moment. Every cell in your body is thriving. Every muscle is strong. Every organ is functioning harmoniously. As you breathe in, feel the energy of health infusing every part of your being. With every exhale, affirm to yourself, I am in perfect health. My body is strong, vibrant, and whole. These words resonate as your truth. This is your reality now. Feel the strength and vitality that define your body. Your cells are thriving. Your energy is abundant. This is your current reality. You move through your day with ease. Your body supports you in every activity. You wake up each morning refreshed, and ready to embrace the day. Every part of you is functioning perfectly, harmoniously. As you embody this state, affirm silently to yourself, I am healthy, I am strong, I am vibrant. Feel the truth of these words in your entire being. This is who you are. Notice how you live in this state of health. You rise each morning full of energy, eager to embrace the day. Your steps are light and effortless. Your body supports you in all that you do. Your body responds effortlessly to your desires. You are living the truth that you are healthy. This truth permeates every aspect of your life. You eat foods that nourish you because your body guides you toward what it needs. You engage in activities that bring you joy and strengthen your body. Your body thrives on movement, on activity, on the energy of life. Feel the strength in your body. Feel the wholeness that defines you. Your immune system is powerful. Your body is resilient. Health is your natural state. It is who you are. Let this assumption of perfect health extend to every part of your being. Feel it in your bones, in your muscles, in your heart and your mind. Your thoughts are clear. Your emotions are balanced. And your spirit is at peace. Health is not just a part of you. It is the essence of who you are. Notice the ease with which you navigate your day. You move with grace and strength, confident in the knowledge that your body supports you in all that you do. This confidence is the foundation of your experience. As you sit in this state of perfect health, realize that this is your reality. Right here, right now, you embody health. There is nothing more to do, nothing more to achieve. You have assumed the state of health, and so it is. Now, let us affirm together, I am health. I am whole. I am vibrant and strong. Feel these words resonating within you. They are not wishes or desires. They are the truth of your being. You are living this reality now. Allow yourself to dwell in this feeling for a moment longer. knowing that as you do, you are solidifying this state in your consciousness. Simply being aware of this truth is enough. You are health. You are strength. You are vitality. This is a reality you embody now. And as we bring this meditation to a close, know that you carry this state of health with you. It remains with you, for it is who you are. You are health. You are strength. You are vitality. This is the reality you experience. Take a deep breath in, feeling the fullness of your health. And as you exhale, affirm the truth of your being. You are health, and you carry this truth with you into every moment of your day. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and remember, this state of health is your reality. You are healthy now and always. Welcome back. How do you feel after stepping into the reality of perfect health? Share your experience below in the comments. And if you enjoyed today's video and you're excited to continue along with this Law of Assumption guided meditation challenge, then be sure to give this a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to be notified about all my new videos, and share this video on your social media. Also, if you want to deepen your manifesting practice, go ahead and download my Believe Hypnosis app. Listen to the session on Law of Assumption that is inside the app. I want to thank you so much for joining me on day 1 of our Law of Assumption challenge on embodying perfect health. Remember, as you move through your day, carry this truth with you. You are health now, and you are always health. And I'm going to see you tomorrow as we continue our journey with the Law of Assumption Part 2. So stay healthy, stay positive, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, day 2.